Steel Blu Vodka. We're with Diamante Distillers out of Bear, Delaware. We're a local craft distiller. We have our product here, Steel Blu. It's a gluten-free, 6 times distilled produced corn vodka. Super smooth, easy to drink. I like to say a premium tasting vodka without the price. The wonderful thing about vodka, it's very versatile, so it makes a wonderful Bloody Mary for a brunch. You can do crushes, a nice martini, so it can kind of be whatever you need it to be. A lot of times at our tastings, we just sample it with pineapple juice and vodka, so it's a very smooth, easy to drink. You don't need to be a bartender, 2 ingredients, and you're good to go.